Welcome to Triple E with Professor RKN. This is the full length course in circuit theory, the very first core subject you will learn in your Triple E journey in college. In this video, I will introduce the subject to you. First, let us see briefly the nature of the subject, motivation to learn this subject, syllabus objectives, prerequisites, books to refer, and of course, the best method to study this subject. Now, let us see the nature of the subject. Circuit theory or electrical circuits is the most fundamental subject of electrical and electronics engineering as well as electronics and communication engineering. Knowledge of this subject is like learning alphabets of a language. The subject is predominantly problem oriented, which means it demands concept understanding and of course constant practice of problems. Next we shall see the motivation to learn this subject. The main motivation to learn this subject is to have strong fundamentals to learn advanced concepts in electrical and electronics engineering. So it is the foundation for advanced learning of Triple E. So next we can move on to the syllabus covered under 5 units. And let me tell you the objectives of each unit. Syllabus objectives, Unit 1, to introduce electric circuits and its analysis. Unit 2, we deal with the solution of circuit equations through network theorems. Unit 3, transient response analysis of electric circuit. Unit 4, we get introduced to phasor diagrams and analysis of three-phase circuits. And finally, Unit 5, here we introduce the phenomenon of resonance in coupled circuits. So, what are the prerequisites to learn this subject? The main prerequisite for the subject is an elementary understanding of electricity and magnetism, which you might have studied in your diploma or in your plus 1, plus 2. The plus 2 level mathematics of linear algebra, trigonometry, complex numbers, matrices, and elementary differential and integral calculus is sufficient to learn this course. So next I shall show the actual syllabus for your quick browsing, right? So they have given this is the syllabus prescribed by Anna University, where you can see the objectives and the units. So to introduce electric circuits and its analysis, to impart knowledge on solving circuit equations using network theorems, to introduce the phenomenon of resonance in coupled circuits, to educate on obtaining the transient response of circuits, to introduce phasor diagrams and analysis of three-phase circuits. So you have 5 units. Unit 1, basic circuit analysis. Unit 2, network reduction and theorems for DC and AC circuits. And Unit 3, transient response analysis. Unit 4, three-phase circuits. Unit 5, resonance and coupled circuits. The outcomes as per Anna University: ability to analyze electrical circuits, ability to apply circuit theorems, ability to analyze transients. So they are given 2 textbooks, William Haight, Kemmerly, Engineering Circuit Analysis, and then Alexander and Sadiku, Fundamentals of Electric Circuits. So these 2 textbooks are standard textbooks. However, the complete syllabus, text and reference books prescribed, and the complete syllabus help for the entire subject, I will provide you through a link in the description below. And now, what is the best method to learn circuit theory? Best method to learn circuit theory. Okay. So there are 3 essential points you have to keep it in your mind. The first one is you have to understand the concept behind. First, understand the concept behind. So you have to understand the concept first. Next, learn the formula. So it is little bit mathematical oriented subject. So it involves a number of formulas. So you have to learn the formula and method to solve a problem. Methodology, right? Learn the formula and method to solve a problem. And last but not the least, apply the conceptual learning through solving a variety of problems. So, practice is the main mantra for this subject, right? So, you have to practice, practice, and practice. Okay. Finally, the main mantra, practice, practice, and practice. Okay. So finally, one very important thing I would like to mention: you purchase a good quality, your university permitted scientific calculator, and learn how to operate the same for elementary operations. Of course, through the course, I will also help you how to operate the calculator, but I may not be able to do it for each and every problem. Maybe for in the beginning of the course, these calculator operations will be demonstrated. Okay. And another option, right? An elementary knowledge of MATLAB. It is a problem solving software. May be useful to have computer based problem solving. Okay. So nowadays people are using MATLAB to solve problems. Okay. So now I would like to have few announcements. So the entire videos for this course covering the subject completely are organized into a playlist named Circuit Theory, a full-length course in my channel. Make use of them. Learn them one by one without skipping. I'll be providing you hint sheets that I have prepared for all 5 units of circuit theory, which I will talk about later. So come on, let's start learning circuit theory. Thank you.